Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Angel Gabriel Tarets. Today I have made this video for Vicky Jain, who is the husband of Ankita Lokhande. Ankita Lokhande, who is the friend of Sushant Singh Rajput. Ankita is accepted Vicky Jain as his husband, and I have asked from my cards that what is the nature and behavior of the Vicky Jain. Actually, I have asked that what is the nature and behavior, and uh, how will this marriage be give good result for Ankita or not. So this is the only question I have asked from my cards, and someone has asked from me that to find out that whether the marriage will be okay or not. So the first card which came out is of, this is the you can say, this is the 50-50. It is not bad, not it is good, but this card shows that Ankita should go back to her home, to her home, that means to his home, mother father, back, and she should not accept Vicky Jain as a husband. I don't know why these cards are so negative came out. Earlier also I have made the video for the Vicky Jain Ankita, that how their marriage will be okay or not. I don't know why these cards at the time also, this separation card has came out in that previous video also of Ankita Lokhande and Vicky Jain. If you will see, again this separation card has came out, and I don't know why these cards are so negative. Maybe she is not happy. She is only showing in the media that she is happy, but actually internally Ankita is not happy. Maybe there must be pressure of mother father that please get married with Vicky Jain, and but internally she is not happy, and externally she is showing that yes, I am very happy with the marriage. But this card shows that this is the message for the Ankita: please go back to your home and please don't involve Vicky Jain in your life. And because if you will involve Vicky Jain, you will be struggle too much in your marriage life. There will be a, you have to go from the stones, and you will be pressurized and from the Vicky Jain, and you will not be happy with Vicky Jain. You have to struggle for everything. Ankita has to struggle for everything. This is the message from the cards, and this card shows that she has to struggle very much in marriage life. And the nature of the this Vicky Jain is just like a crab that to bite something, and which is not good. That means that person is very aggressive, very angry nature. Vicky Jain is badly get maybe at home. I don't know. This card shows that torture. This is the card of torture. Actually, if I will say that Vicky Jain is very aggressive and very angry nature, and he used to bite even. So Ankita, I don't know I why this card has came out, but this card shows that she is not happy. She will not be happy with Vicky Jain, and if she will remain with Vicky Jain, Vicky Jain is just like a crab, and this is the card of burning tower has came out, that all things will be destroyed in Ankita Lokhande's life. So these cards are showing that there must be something wrong between the two persons. Ankita internally is not happy. Maybe Vicky Jain in future hurt her, hurt her definitely, because these cards came out in the earlier predictions also. And Ankita is so humble and so good nature, and in the future maybe very quietly and very simply she will be get separated from the Vicky Jain. This is the card of separation. So I don't know why these cards are so negative for those people, these two peoples who are got married just now. And uh, maybe this card shows separation. That means in the next year there must be a separation between the two people. There are the possibilities, because this card is not good, and if she will be get separated, I think that will be good. This marriage is not okay, and it will in within in 1 year, or maximum 1 year, and minimum in within 6 months, Angita will get separate from the Vicky Jain. This is confirmed, and these cards I have taken out in front of you only, and I hope you have all have got the answer that Ankita Lokhande is not happy just now internally. Maybe uh, maybe Vicky Jan is shouting or whatever is going on in the room. We all don't know that what is going on in other person's life, but this card shows this only. I have connected the spirit, whatever soul gives answer, that we cannot question on that. So this is the answer. Whosoever asked from me, I think you have got the answer. Thank you for watching my video.